Hi students, I'm Miss Swan. Now I'm going to teach you 5 common trigo identities. They are not difficult to prove, and I will take identity 1, 3, and 4 as the examples. And now, I will show you how to prove identity 1. And we all know that for the sine ratio, cosine ratio, and the tangent ratio, all related to a right angle triangle. So first of all, I will draw a right angle triangle. Okay, and we try to prove this identity. If we consider the left-hand side, and the left-hand side, that is sine theta over cosine theta. And we try to use the definition. And if we consider this angle, and if we try to take the sine ratio, could you remember, hey, sine theta, we know that it is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse, that is b over c. And how about cosine theta? And cosine theta, we know that it is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, that is a over c. Okay, right, and then we try to change division into multiplication. And after simplification, and we find that it is equal to b over a. And how about the right hand side? And the right hand side, that is tangent theta. And by using the definition, tangent theta, that is the opposite side over the adjacent side, that is b over a. Now we can show that the left hand side equal to the right hand side. That means it is an identity. Okay? And I give you one more example. I will show you how to prove identity. I will show you how to prove this identity. Identity number 3. Again, I will draw a right angle triangle. Okay, and we want to prove this identity. And in this identity, the left hand side, that is sine 90 degree minus theta. Okay, now if we use this right angle triangle, and if we consider this angle, and we know that if we use angle sum of triangle, the size of this angle, it is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus theta, that is 90 degree minus theta. Okay, and then we will focus on this angle, sine 90 degree minus theta. We will focus on this angle with the size equal to 90 degree minus theta. And by using the definition, when we take sine, we know that it is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse, that is a over c. And for the right hand side, that is cosine theta. And we will focus on this angle, cosine theta, that is a over c, adjacent side over the hypotenuse. Again, it is equal to a over c. So left hand side equal to the right hand side. That means it is an identity. Actually, identity number 4, we use the same idea. as in identity number 3. And I have shown you how to prove these 3 identities. Because you are all careful students, I think you can prove number 2 and 5 by yourself. So please try to prove these identities. Try to do it on a piece of test paper and then show it to me in the next lesson. I see you in the next lesson.